Today we are going to be showing you how to use water marbling to create a unique design on your pumpkin. What you will need is a large plastic bin you don't mind getting dirty, a pumpkin, nail polish colors of your choice. We chose to use a mix of pinks and blues and also added gold to add a little metallic pop, toothpicks or skewers, nail polish remover, and Q-tips. First, you're going to want to fill your plastic bin with warm water. Then, you're going to want to uncap all your nail polish bottles and slowly start pouring polish on the water. The nail polish should spread along the surface. If you are having trouble getting the nail polish to float, you can try pouring closer to the water's surface. Continue alternating colors until you have the desired amount. Then, take your toothpick or skewer and swirl the colors to get a marbled effect. Moving quickly, you're going to want to get your pumpkin and dip the part of the pumpkin into the water that you want the polish to adhere to. And if you make a mistake and get some polish where you don't want it, just take some nail polish remover on a Q-tip and rub it away. It's super easy. For larger pumpkins, we did part of the bottom, some halfway, some on diagonal. Then we also had some mini pumpkins that we dipped completely. There is no right or wrong way to dip, so get creative. Then set your pumpkin aside to dry completely and it's finished. You can do this on real pumpkins or on fake pumpkins from the craft store and reuse them each year.